Today in this video, I'll show you how can you use the Epidemic sound for YouTube. So let's jump right into it. We're going to use the app. You can find it on App Store or Play Store, depends on what device you're on. So go ahead and open the app after installing it. And once it loads up, you can create a free account or tap on login if you have an account already. And then from here, go ahead and tap on next at the bottom to go to this next screen. It will ask you to choose the genres of music that you're looking for or that you like. So tap on the genres and tap on next in the bottom. Once you tap on next, you'll be taken to this screen. Go ahead and choose the type of content you're making. You can even skip if you don't want to tell them by tapping on skip in the top right corner. Once you choose, tap on next in the bottom, and from here, pick YouTube since we're doing this video for YouTube. And wait for a little processing to be completed. Once it loads up, you can just go ahead and look for the audio or the song that you want to use. Tap on the three dots right next to it. You can download it to your device or export it or even like it and add it to a new playlist if you want to find it later. And that is it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one. And thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one.